Go draw on the chalkboard. You draw a picture for Mommy? Or you just want the chalk that he dropped? Jeez, always a competition. Come on. Come on, come back. Good job, Harper. Come on, Hollister. Draw Mommy a picture. See, Harper likes to draw. Here comes Hollister. No, Hollister, don't feed the dog chalk. Hollister. Come here, Hollister. Draw with it. Yeah, like that. Come here. Hollister, Stella doesn't want the chalk. I promise. Come here, Hollister. Draw me a picture, Harper. Yay! I think you're using your finger more than the chalk. That's very cool, Harper. I like your picture. Where's your chalk, buddy? There you go, Hollister. Come on. There you go, Hollister. The other side's not a chalkboard, buddy. Okay, all done. You done, Harper?